The topics covered in the Agile program start off with an overview of the mindset that is going to be required to work in an Agile environment. We'll start by taking a look at some of the methodologies that are typically used by organizations using Agile, including Scrum, extreme programming. We'll talk about Lean and several other methodologies that are used in that overall Agile umbrella. The primary material that we're going to be using is a prep book. This prep book covers all the domains that are identified by the Project Management Institute as being important for an Agile practitioner. We'll also be using a textbook called Essential Scrum that's written by Ken Rubin. It really demonstrates to prospective hiring managers that the individual has gone through a course which has prepared them in all the skills and tools and techniques that are used in an Agile environment. We've called it the UST, the University of St. Thomas, Certified Agile Practitioners. A lot of the great project management programs that we have here today are focused on what's called the waterfall methodology, where the objective is relatively clear, where perhaps the requirements are fairly clear and the technology is fairly clear. But since the mid-90s, we've been faced with different types of problems that are more complex, where maybe the requirements aren't as clear and the technology isn't as clear. So the Agile approach helps us understand approaches to start taking steps in that more complex environment where maybe we can't define everything exactly. And we start off in a direction and then we repeat and revisit in an iterative fashion and more closely narrow the approach to the desired objective. There are a number of criteria that have to be met in order for a student to take the Agile Certified Practitioner exam from the Project Management Institute. They have to demonstrate 2,000 hours of general project management experience. They have to demonstrate 1,500 hours of Agile project management experience. They have to demonstrate that they have completed 21 hours of training in Agile methods. And this course covers that 21 hours, so it checks the box for the amount of training that is needed to sit for the exam. So we'll give them some practice, we'll cover all the key areas, and help them understand the best approaches for the exam. An employer sending an employee to this program can come away with the understanding that this employee will be able to take advantage of all of the good practices that the company currently has in waterfall methodologies, but will also bring the new perspectives that Agile approaches bring to the table as well. I think the real secret for a project manager is to recognize where Agile fits and where it can add benefit and value to the company. This program will help make sure that those participants know exactly where this fits the best and adds the most value to their company.